Hi, I'm Danielle Valiente with Atmosphere Salon, and I'm going to share with you how to roll a corkscrew perm using these spongy rollers. So I've taken a horizontal section, and I'm going to split that little section in half. And I'm using these spongy rollers and some perm papers and a rat tail comb. And if you need to resaturate at all, if you need to resaturate the hair at all, then do so before wrapping, and then just comb the water through. Place a perm paper on each side of the hair, or you can just fold the perm paper, which is what I like to do. Just fold it in half, or you can place one on each side. And what the perm paper does, go ahead and spray the paper so that it causes the paper to almost stick together and take it all the way down to the ends. And the perm paper allows you to control those ends. So then we're going to place the paper on the roller, and look, it just sucks right to the roller, so you don't have to worry about that moving at all. And then we just start rolling. And if you keep your elbows out even, you're gonna get a really great tension on the roll. And then you can start to shimmy it back and forth, and that's gonna help keep the tension too. When you get to the top, you just bend the ends down. And then we'll take one more section to demo that for you. Now, what I love about this is that these rollers, just like regular perm rollers, come in all different sizes. So you can create different sizes of curl based on the size roller that you use. But what's great is you can also get creative and put different size rollers in there so that you get varying size curls. Just remember, you want that rod to be able to wrap around the hair at least 2.5 times to be able to see a curl pattern. And that's how to wrap a corkscrew perm.